Hi, we want to officially welcome you to the next Siemens Regional User Group in Detroit, Michigan on December the 3rd, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, for those that are within driving distance, Chicago, Erie, Toledo, Columbus, Cleveland, now is your opportunity to learn and glean real time information on the latest trends, implications, opportunities within the Siemens ecosystem. We will then have Barry Chapman and Bill Lewis talk about improving agility. Our user keynotes for this regional user group is Warren Clark from GM and Drew Geyer from JetZero. And then we will jump into different breakout sessions, looking at the five you see on the screen. Choose the top two you want to attend. You'll have the opportunity to attend those at 11 a.m. and you'll have an opportunity to attend those at 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. And then we'll have a cocktail reception on behalf of Siemens at 3:30 p.m. So again, those that are within driving distance or local, we'd love to see you there. Myself, Chris Hinkst, along with Ben Turner, will be there from an SIS standpoint. We will send a link for you to register for this informative and inspiring session at the next Detroit Regional User Group, presented and hosted by Siemens on December the 3rd, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.